guys, Jenny with On Fire Fit. Today I am doing some food prep, and so I am just going to take you through kind of what I bought and then the process of what I'm doing, and I hope that it encourages you to get motivated to do some food prep because it really does make a difference in your week, and it really helps you to be ready, not have any emergencies, and have vegetables ready at all times. Okay, so here we go. I just came back from the store. I went to a couple different stores and I got a number of things, so I'm just going to kind of walk you through what I have. And surprisingly, yes, we will go through this food. My kids love vegetables. Mark and I are following the vegetable plan, trying to eat more vegetables too. And so we definitely go through all this stuff. So I did get, let me just start you through the process here. So I did get some organic carrots that I will cut up, but I'm also making a soup today in the crock pot because it's a nice rainy, drizzly day, if you can see out there. And so I thought to kind of speed up the process, I did buy some carrots that are already sliced that I'll put in there. And along with that, I got some pre-sliced up, diced up onions, so I can throw that in the crock pot as well. So that kind of saves me an extra step, but I bought an onion for later as well. So here we go. I've got purple potatoes, which have a different taste, and I love them. They're really good. Here are some sweet potatoes. We go through quite a bit of these. My kids always feel spoiled if I give them a baked sweet potato. They are like, those are mommy's, and we are getting the sweet potato. And then I got just some yellow potatoes that I'm gonna cut up for the soup I'm making. I got some kale, and the kale I will make into some kale chips. So I basically just wash this, tear the leaves off so that the stem, the middle section that's very tough, I throw that part away, or I will put it in like my soup to make a vegetable broth when I make my vegetable broth. But I can show you that at another time. Then we've got a couple of cucumbers. The kids love to just squeeze some lemon juice on that. Here's some lemons. I got a couple pounds of lemons. They like to squeeze some lemon juice and then put, various spices, or we'll use it to dip with hummus. I got a lot of different bell peppers. We love bell peppers, and my kids will eat them plain or they'll eat them with hummus, but we go through a lot of bell peppers, so I got quite a few of those. Again, the lemons, what I usually do when I get a bag like this, if I can get just a good size bag, I will slice all of these up, juice all of them, and then I put them in a tray to freeze, and that way I can take one ice cube out of the tray of lemon juice as I need it, and that way I don't have to fight with juicing them every day, and I also don't have to worry about the lemons going bad. I did buy some garbanzo beans as well, and those will be to make hummus. I have my tahini and stuff, so I'm gonna make these in a pot and make hummus later. I have, let's come back down here, a couple of avocados that aren't ripe yet. I have turmeric root, which I will slice and dice and freeze. I have more ginger, which I will do the same thing. Slice it. I usually peel the entire thing and then chop it into pieces and put it in a freezer bag. Turnips, because we love turnip fries, and I know some of you have discovered how yummy they are, but look for the recipe that I have for that one that I got from the program that I've been doing. Then I have cranberries. I'll probably freeze these, but I will make them probably with a little bit of water and stevia to kind of make my own little cranberry sauce that doesn't have sugar. I got some more of my unsweetened vanilla coconut milk. Try to always get the kind that doesn't have sugar added, and I like this particular one is good. I got a little bit more garlic minced up. I do have fresh garlic, but sometimes that's just more convenient. I found this. I have not tried this before, I don't think, but it is cress, and it is going to be added into soup, maybe into an omelet, but because of the greens, it's really good to try to get a variety of greens. I got some celery here. I got some peppers for my husband. I got green onions, and I got a couple of bags of spinach. So and I got some chicken, so I'm gonna make the soup with the chicken, and I'll just kind of show you some of the stuff as I go. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm just prepping away, and here over on the side I have some of the vegetables ends, like the celery, that I'm gonna be throwing in that freezer bag that I keep in the freezer to make my vegetable broth. But these particular peels off of a cucumber, I do not put in that bag because I just don't think that would taste very good. Kind of bitter, but I am gonna show you what we are gonna do with this. Nice little pile. Oh, the gins. Oh, the guinea babies. Hi. Hi. Do you want a treat? Hi, Caramel. Hey, Cinnamon. Here you go. Here they come. Woo! Yeah, that is their favorite. They love to get the peels of that. They're so sweet. This one down here is Cinnamon Squirrel. And this is Caramel Macchiato. This one is Talia's, and this one is Lucas's. And we thought that they're both girls. We thought she looked more like a little squirrel, but Talia had named her guinea pig after a hot, yummy drink. So we thought Cinnamon Squirrel sounded a little like Cinnamon Swirl. So we had to give them both some decadent sweetness. And they are very sweet little piggies. And there is what I have prepped that I have not put away yet. I have my turmeric that I sliced into chunks, and I'm gonna lay it flat. Try to keep them a little bit separate and then freeze them that way so that they don't all clump together in the freezer. Once they're frozen, then you can move the bag around and they won't stick anymore, but it's just when they are going from fresh to frozen. I like to throw these in my smoothies or in a soup or something like that, but it just saves the trouble of having to peel and cut things as you go. And then we have some sliced celery, carrots, cucumbers. I took my green onions and cut them up. We've got the chives and then the onion. I will probably freeze some of this because I end up not using it all, but it freezes well and it's real easy to pull out and throw into things when you need it. I sliced up 3 of those bell peppers, and then I took that lemon juice. I'm going to put that in the freezer. Each one of those little cubes is about 4 teaspoons that I measured out. So depending on how much your recipe calls for, you can just pop out however many pieces you need and just defrost it. And then this is actually a black-eyed pea dip, or kind of similar to like a hummus. So I cooked the black-eyed peas with some various herbs and seasonings, and then I added some garlic and I grinded it all up in my Ninja. I added a little bit of olive oil, and then I would use this as a dip for my vegetables. So there's a lot of fiber in here, a lot of vitamins, and a great way to get a different kind of nutrient in your body. Okay, there you have it. That is the food prep that I am doing today. I would love to hear from you. What are you in need of? What do you struggle with? Is food prep something that you have gotten into the habit of? And if not, when can you set aside some time to start doing it? Okay, I'll see you soon, and I hope that you're living this day on fire.